Elements are the building blocks of nature. Here is a list of 8 rare elements that you never knew were used in many things around you. We are comparing their rarity to titanium, since you may have previously thought titanium was rare and expensive.
So our first one on the list is niobium. It isn't too rare, and only 388 times rarer than titanium. It was first identified in 1801 in England. It's actually found as an accessory mineral in other ores, such as calcium and uranium. It's famously non-toxic. In fact, it's used in jewelry and medicine because you can't possibly be allergic to it. However, its main use is in superconducting components for things like experimental electronics and MRIs. It also can be used in superalloys for things like rockets and spacecraft. This next one is thorium. It's also not that rare, at only 1,100 times rarer than titanium. It was discovered in 1828 in Norway. First commercial applications were found in 1885 in a gas mantle, which was basically a lamp, that heated thorium until it glowed. And oh, by the way, did we tell you that thorium is also radioactive, and is responsible for most of the radioactive heating in the Earth, and it was also used in ceramics. Thorium is of interest nowadays because it's a promising fuel for nuclear reactors that in all ways is better than uranium.
The next element brings us to antimony. It's fairly rare at 33,000 times rarer than titanium. It's a mild carcinogen when it's in oxide form, but otherwise it's not harmful. Unless you create fluoroantimonic acid, one of the most powerful acids in existence. Fluoroantimonic acid is about 10 to the 16 times stronger than sulfuric acid and capable of disintegrating almost all organic material, like your finger. It's so acidic, the pH scale sort of breaks. It also reacts very violently with water. Rhenium is our next element, and here is why we step into the rarer elements. This is about 2.5 million times rarer than titanium. Only 50 tons of it are mined each year. It was discovered in 1925 in Germany and named after the river Rhine. The principal use of rhenium is in alloys capable of withstanding high temperatures in ultra-high performance jet engines for fighter jets. It's also a catalyst in gas production. So in essence, the two things that make America America, gasoline and ultra-expensive fighter jets, originate from this German-discovered element.
Another one of the rare elements, this one's known as osmium, at 3.7 million times rarer than titanium. It was discovered in 1803 in England. Osmium is one of the densest elements in the periodic table. It's not toxic by itself, although the oxide form is a carcinogen. It creates alloys ideal for high-wear applications due to its brittle and strong nature. That means it can be used in the tips of fountain pens and in electrical contacts. As a toxic oxide, it also acts as a general catalyst for many chemical processes, most notably industrial ammonia synthesis.
Iridium is mostly found in leaded asteroids. The high levels of iridium in the layer of the Cretaceous Paleogene gave archaeologists the idea that a large asteroid caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. It is also used to make acetic acids like vinegar and is used to make French fries. Even though it has a very high melting point of 1500 degrees Celsius and is extremely tough, its high melting point makes it hard to be shaped and machined. Xenon was discovered in 1898 in England and can be extracted by cooling the air, though this is a very energy-consuming process. It is the only noble gas that can bond with other elements and is used in xenon ion engines, which are extremely efficient compared to normal liquid fuel rockets and solid rocket boosters. This is created when plutonium was bombarded by neutrons. It then decayed to become americium-241 during beta decay and is now used in smoke detectors. This is used in smoke detectors due to it being able to ionize air to make it possible to carry a charge. This charge is disturbed when smoke enters the chamber, causing the alarm to go off.